In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy GoDaddy hosting in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, a professional website, or even a multi-user platform, choosing the right hosting plan is crucial. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, grab your device and open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. You're going to want to look for the official GoDaddy website, which should appear at the top of your search results. Go ahead and click on the link to head over to their homepage. Once you're on the GoDaddy website, the next step is to log into your account. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and gain access to your personal dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one by clicking on Create an Account and filling out the required fields. After signing in and accessing your account, look for the My Account section, which is usually prominently displayed. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Shop GoDaddy. This will direct you to their wide range of services and products. Now you need to decide which type of hosting service best fits your needs. GoDaddy offers various hosting options such as hosting for WordPress, web hosting, and VPS hosting. Consider what you need for your website. If you're running a WordPress site, that specific hosting might be the best choice for optimized performance and features. For others, standard web hosting may suffice. Make your choice and select the option that suits your project. Once you've decided, it's time to choose a specific plan. GoDaddy provides various plans according to different levels of requirements and budgets. Click on Buy Now for the plan that you feel is most appropriate. This action will add the plan to your shopping cart. Next, click on the shopping cart icon to view a summary of what you've selected. It provides a detailed overview of the plan and its features. Here, GoDaddy typically showcases additional plans or offers that might interest you. Moreover, you have the flexibility to customize the length of your subscription. Decide whether you want a monthly or yearly plan and adjust accordingly. Finally, proceed to follow the prompts for completing your purchase. This step involves filling in your payment details to kickstart your subscription. Simply follow the instructions on screen, and once you're done, congratulations! You now have a GoDaddy hosting plan ready to support your website or project. And that's all there is to it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've secured hosting for your website with one of the most recognized names in the industry. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.